guys, it's your girl Keandra, and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be a rather different video. I'm going to be reviewing a hat wig, and this wig was sent to me by Legend Hair. In your package, you're going to receive your hat wig and a stocking cap, but I think that's the net cap, the one with the holes in it. Either way, the hair comes with the hat and the hair. And this is like a water wave type curl, and as you can see, there's no hat on the inside, and the hair is just sewn around the perimeter of the hair. Now the hair is very soft, very pretty, and yeah, I was kind of I didn't know what to do with it at first. Later on I fluffed it out, and so I kind of started to like it a little bit more. But right here, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I would say it's about maybe 24 inches. It's fairly long. I actually like the straight ends. I think that's so cute. At first, I thought that it was too small for my head, but there is an adjustable strap like in the back. So that's what I found out like later. But I'm just kind of put it on, trying to play with it, trying to hide my cap on the side. This is what it looks like in the back. And as you can see, my bun was sticking out through the little hole. So later on, I actually went back and adjusted the strap, and it worked out fine. But yeah, this is the hair. It's super soft. It's a little bit of snag when you run your finger through it, but of course it is synthetic, and I did get some shedding, but like I said, it is synthetic curly hair, but it's not anything that I couldn't handle. Once you play with the hair and kind of like fluff it out and fill it out, it starts to get actually kind of cute. I got compliments on this hair all day. I don't think anyone knew that it was a synthetic wig, let alone a hat wig. And I just decided to wear some hoops with it because I thought the hoops kind of gave it a better look. I wanted a real low-key, effortless look today. As you can see, I literally just did my eyebrows and put on some lashes and some lip gloss. And that's kind of like been my look. I had a lot of errands to run this day, and I wore this hat all day, you guys. So I'm just showing you what it would look like in a ponytail right here. Again, super cute, for the go. And if you adjust the strap in the back, you will not be able to see your cap on the side. Just FYI. And this is how it would look in a bun. Super duper cute. Okay, hey guys, so I've decided to wear this wig for like the rest of the day just to see how it like keeps up, because I know that the installation video is super duper short because it's literally just a hat. So I'm on my way because I have to go pick up some things for my house and all of that. So far it's super cute. Like, I don't really have any problems with it. It does tangle a little bit, but it is synthetic. Hopefully it's just not too long to get in the way. I don't know if I mentioned, but I think the hair is about 24 inches, and I'm only 4'11" and a half, so it's super duper long. But yeah, so I'm about to go run some errands, and then I will come back at the end of all of that to see how the hair held up. I did go in and put some bobby pins in here just in case this hoe decides to fly off, because yeah, it's just, it's pretty, it's pretty secure. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some errands, and I'll come back with a final update and review. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's about to be the end of the day, and I've worn this wig hat all day. Sorry if you hear the air in the back, but I've worn this all day. Got lots of compliments. Honestly, it wasn't even that bad. It didn't shed a lot at all. It's super duper soft. But of course, I haven't been like running my fingers through it or anything. When you try, it does snag, but it is synthetic. But overall, like, this is gonna be my new like errand wig probably. But yeah. So make sure you guys check out this wig. I'll have the link to the wig in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.